Take 153. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking on the clip. We got some Yamaha ride time today. Had to do some ball joints on this bike. Really sucks when you're out in the trails and a ball joint pops and you get pretty much shit whipped into the ground. So we got the ball joints all swapped out on this. We got a little TRX 90 that we're going to be doing ball joints on also. Actually, not ball joints, they're just steering bushings. But either way, they're done. They're fixed. Quick, easy fix. Get some track time, ride time. Let you guys watch these guys rip around on the track. Of course, the racers got to have some wheelie time. A little bit of showboating before they go out and beat the snot out of themselves. Granted, track in the back isn't the biggest track in the world, but it is technical, and it will definitely kick your butt if you do enough laps. Keeps you on your toes, the sand keeps swapping around, so you can do one lap thinking you're safe, the next lap the sand moved around some from a previous rider, and you're kicked off to the side. So, this is his first time on the track. He's going to take it a little bit slow, kind of feel out the jumps and everything. Tony going to climb up on the hill and kind of watch him do a lap or two, and then follow in behind him and start racing around the track. We're going to get some double quad shots. A little bit into the video, I hop on the TRX 90. I do a lap one way, and then reverse it and do a lap the other way. These guys are running the track in the correct direction this time. Towards the end of the video, they're going to flip it around and try and restructure some of the berms. Get them so they're not throwing you up so high by running it in reverse. Maybe play around with some of the landings on some of the jumps too, which are going to turn into launches. So, stick around. Watch these guys rip around forward, watch them rip around in reverse, and you get a nice up close and personal TRX 90 tour of the track. You can definitely tell how they get more and more comfortable because they'll start going faster and faster, and there will be some mistakes. Bobble here, bobble there. We got a surprise guest running through the track. Keep an eye out for that. A little bit funny. I was definitely laughing, that's for sure. Tony getting some good air off that kicker. Both these guys have definitely found their wings. They are not afraid to fly. One thing about racing, if you're afraid to jump, you better get comfortable with it because you're going to spend a lot of time in the air. What the hell is that? Run, buddy, run! I could have swore he got run over by that guy. But, nope, Bunny's safe. No bunnies were harmed in the making of this video. Kind of a cool double jump there. Tried to get both of these guys in the video as much as I could. They're spread out decently enough. Later on in the video they get a bit closer and makes for some really neat chase video, that's for sure. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget, these videos are pushed by likes, comments, and watch time. So enjoy your beverage and your munchies. We got a lot of video left to go. Lots of laps. Potential bobbles. While you're watching, slap around that like button a little bit. Try and get these videos out to more and more people. Not getting many views. Not getting much activity. The algorithm's just not seeing the videos, so the more likes, the more comments, the further these videos go. performance work over at Sawyer Custom and Speed, chassis mods, suspension mods, engine builds, port work, custom work. One of the few people that builds an invert triple clamps for 3-wheelers. They're pretty much any bike, any trike, however you want them, custom made, not CNC, built to order. Got a Redbubble account for some merchandise. Sawyer Custom on eBay for parts. Got any questions or need work done? Send me a PM or a DM. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Throw a message in YouTube. We'll see what we can work out. Alright, track run on the 90. This is the part that you really can't see much in the videos. Down into the pit, you jump up out the pit, and then you go down the chain link fence line. Yes, if you mess up on these whoops, there is a high possibility that you will eat fence. Could be bad. Haven't had anybody do it yet, knock on wood. Down around the corner. First wore out jump. It's really fun trying to ride these ruts in this little 90. One hand holding the phone, one hand running the quad. So the first table, these berms are nice and deep. Little hump coming out the berm to slow you down. Kick her off the table. Little dip with a throw. Another nice deep berm. Throw your jump to flat. This is all sugar sand. It's soupy soupy. Get some natural whoops coming out of that berm. Little popper. Last berm running up the back property to the double. They got this deep too. Those ruts are, yeah, I definitely need to maintain the track a little bit. Spend some time on it with a shovel and a rake. Get a bobcat going on it or something. Oh, run it backwards. Definitely feels weird running this track backwards. I've had it for 15 plus years and it's been one direction the whole time. It definitely feels weird running it backwards. You guys like this video? Go ahead, hit the like button. Doesn't take much, just reach down, change the color of it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, you Kind of nice. You don't want to miss out on future ride videos or builds or how-to videos. If you got questions or whatnot, you can ask and I'll do my best to answer them. Comments are always appreciated. These videos don't get really pushed out unless the watch time on them's long, and a lot of people kind of interact with the videos, so go ahead and don't be shy. Interaction's always good. Do you ride? Do you like street, dirt? What do you ride? Are you brand specific? Do you have a favorite brand of bike or car? It burns deep too. Alright, now I'm gonna get back up on the hill and get back to videoing these guys running backwards. Gonna do another 5-lap run. Running this thing backwards, they're getting some good throws off of it. Changing up the berm some. Tony's got a case of ain't scared. Those whoops are definitely not designed to run backwards. They were jumping into them pretty good after a couple of laps. Tony got the ground speed figured out. Yeah, I was quite surprised. Got some good road boosts going around the corners. Can't really zoom in really good, but at the same time, kind of neat watching the two quads run around the track instead of trying to keep tabs of one. Taught a lot of people to ride on this track over the years, that's for sure. We do training, lessons. That way you get your riding style accurate. It helps you perform better on the track. Nice double in. Ouch. That was not so much nice. Good little pop off the top of that table. I'm going to try and get a skid steer and stuff over here onto the property and get these jumps a little bit wider. It's single track at this point. Want to get it, we can run two quads next to each other and have some passing lanes. Maybe have some really cool ride days, barbecue days in the future. Had ride days and barbecue days in the past, so it's worth it. It's a lot of fun. Stay tuned. Never know what kind of videos are coming up. Could be ride, could be fix-ems. Could be an invite to come over and beat on your bike some. Really appreciate the views if you made it this far. Coming up on the close of the video. I'll see y'all in the next video. Have a great day.